mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey ma, we're gonna be alright.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm turning myself into a fashion model, which is so different than my previous video. If you are new in this channel, then do subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
Feel my heart, it's beat tight. All my body's breathing, it's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beat tight. All my body's breathing, it's just you and me. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. 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 I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. Feel my heart, it's beat tight. All my body's breathing, it's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beat tight. All my body's breathing, it's just you and me. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. Let's
Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and give this video lots of thumbs up, comment below about my looks. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and if you are my subscriber, then thank you so much for watching this video. Now I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay connected, stay healthy. Bye bye.